Hello, hello! Did you miss me, guys? This is Eva again here on your channel, Eva's Simple Creation. And today's, guys, I'm too excited on making this particular dish. It is called Atchara. So Atchara is just like a fermented or pickled vegetable that is typically or ordinarily made from green papaya. But we don't have any green papaya, so we are trying to utilize the best alternative, which is the sauerkraut. So we will try to use that as an alternative for the green papaya. So no green papaya, no problem. These are all the ingredients. Sauerkraut in a jar. We have to wash it, drain it in a strainer, and remove the saltiness by washing it with warm water and squeeze it really good. Then the next ingredients will be the carrots, sliced it like julienne cut. Then the red bell pepper, sliced. Ginger, sliced as well. Minced garlic. Mix all the ingredients in a big bowl. And add the sauerkraut. Then we will have to make the brine from cane sugar, water, and distilled vinegar. Put it in a jar and mix all together. Add the pink salt and the crushed black pepper. Then add some salt and black pepper in the mix. Loosen up the sauerkraut for easy stirring. And then add the brine. Stir it and add some raisins for added sweetness and flavor. Mix it thoroughly. And then we are ready to clean the jar and sterilize it. After we sterilize the jar, let it cool down and dry before pouring in the atchara. Then we are ready to pour in the atchara. Look at that color combination. It is so fantastic, guys. I love the color of this atchara. This is really good combination when you eat fried food such as fried fish, pork chop, pork barbecue. And now we are ready to pour the atchara into the sterilized container. And then sealed it and sterilize it again in a boiling water for a few minutes. And now it's ready. All we need to do is to put the label. Don't forget to put the date. You can actually store it for about 2 to 3 months in the fridge. Enjoy, guys. Hope you like this video. My name is Eva again here on your channel, Eva's Simple Creation. If you like this video, please click and subscribe below. Bye for now and be kind to one another. Bye.